Hi, welcome back to our Algebra 1B series. Today we're going to talk about how to fill out a table of values for a radical expression or a radical function. So here I gave you some x values we can try. A couple quick notes. Negatives are not allowed inside a radical. So when I try to plug in 4, what you want to do is just substitute in your given x values, if you're given x values. So I've got the square root of 4 minus 5 plus 3. And I apologize for the noise. They're doing some jackhammering outside. This is the square root of negative 1 plus 3. But this is not allowed. That's not okay. So there's no solution there. So you can leave that one blank. Now if I substitute in a 5, get the square root of 0 plus 3. Well, the square root of 0 is 0. Plus 3 would get you 3. And then here, 6 minus 5 is the square root of 1. Plus 3, square root of 1 is 1. Plus 3 is 4. Okay, there's a typo on my part. I'll just get rid of that, erase that. Now, how do you fill out a table if you're given no values? Well, the first thing we should be able to do is identify our vertex. And it's HK. In this case, it's positive 1, 8. And I'm going to put my vertex first. And then I'm going to pick some numbers, like 2 and 3, that come after 1. So as far as 2 goes, if I substitute in a 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the square root of 1 plus 8. Well, the square root of 1 is 1, plus 8 is 9. And 3, minus 1 is 2, plus 8. The square root of 2 is about 1.41, plus 9. This would be about 9.41. Now, a better number to use would have been something like 5, because then I could do square root of 5 minus 1 plus 8, which is the square root of 4, which is 2, plus 8 is 10. All right, and typically I'll give you the numbers that you want to use. Like here I want to use negative 2, negative 1, and 2. So my vertex is negative 2, 0. There's my vertex. If I plug in a negative 1, negative 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1, plus 0 is 1. And here, 2 plus 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2, plus 0 is 2. Okay, why don't you try 0, vertex is 0, 2, 0, 1, and 4, and see what you get. You can pause the video, try it, and then unpause when you're done to check your work. All right, we should have gotten, and again, if you're not done yet, just pause the video. But if you are done, you should have 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's how I would fill out a table. You're just substituting in the known values for x into your radical, And again, negatives are not allowed. So anytime you run into a negative, you can leave that blank. It's not allowed. That's not okay.